Hi everybody and welcome to Sing for Hull, week 13, day 1. Thanks again for everybody's involvement last week with their great fight song. It was a really fun week to do. And we also got on the TV on Look North, that was brilliant. Now, week 13, unlucky for some, but not for you, because we've got another big dance track for you this week.
We have got Naughty Boys Wonder, which featured the vocals of Emeli Sandé. And my fact today is about the video. Don't know if you've seen it, but it's really atmospheric. It's shot in some woodlands with a lake. And the fact is that sometimes as a musician you have to learn new skills. And Emeli Sandé had to learn how to drive a motorboat in this video across a lake while singing. And what you can't see is that she was being followed by 2 lifeguards the whole time, just in case it went wrong. So there you go, great video. Let's learn the song. Now the beat is everything in this song. So we're going to start by doing a marching warm-up, some smaller, getting bigger, and then a quick run at the end. Are we ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bigger, bigger, and run. Small. Bigger, even bigger, and run. And again. Bigger, really big, and run. Last time. Small. Bigger, really big, and run. Great. Now we've got the beat strongly embedded in our brains and our bodies, and we're going to use it for this next activity. In this song, in the introduction, you can hear that beats 2 and 4 feature because there's some clicks at the start. So we're going to do an exercise. You can do something on beat 2 and 4. If you can't click, you can clap. Now that gives a nice laid back feel, and that's why we call it the backbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's keep the beat with our legs again, and let's just do something on beat 2 and 4. Are we ready?
1, 2, 3.
If you can't click, clap. And freestyle. Great. Let's keep using that backbeat feel for our breathing exercises. We are going to breathe in for 1 bar, and then for 3 bars we'll do some backbeat shh. We'll do that once, then we'll do exactly the same to a v, then a zh, and then a z.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now v. Now zh. Now z. Great. We're going to warm our voice up in steps using a pattern from the chorus. The chorus goes, whoa, whoa, I'm falling under. So we're going to take that pattern and go a little bit lower to start with. It's going to sound like this. So let's have a go together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Our last warm-up focuses on the rhythm because that's really important in this. So we're going to take a bit from the bridge. This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. So we'll start to a slower beat and then we'll get faster. So I'll do it quite slowly this first time. This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. A little bit faster. This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. A little bit faster. This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. Even faster. This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. Great job. So let's learn to sing the song. We always start by looking at the song structure, and it's a simple one this week. We start with an intro with the clicks. Then we have verse 1 followed by the chorus. We then have verse 2 followed by a chorus. Then we have the bridge, and that's followed by a chorus. Then we have verse 3 and 4 together, and they are followed by 2 choruses. Now the original does have an outro, but we wanted to end with a bit more of a dramatic at the end. So we are going to finish at the end of the last chorus. Now, you might notice there's quite a lot of repetition in this song. So the first melodic line of the verse is the same as the second melodic line of the verse, and it's the same for the chorus. So let's break it up. We'll do the verse followed by the chorus. I'll sing a line and you can repeat it with me.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can beat the night. I'm not afraid of thunder. I can beat the night. I'm not afraid of thunder. I am full of light. I am full of wonder. I am full of light. I am full of wonder. Oh, I ain't falling under. Oh, I ain't falling under. Oh, I am full of wonder. Oh, I am full of wonder. Brilliant. So now let's put all of that together.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can beat the night. I'm not afraid of thunder. I am full of light. I am full of wonder. Oh, I ain't falling under. Oh, I am full of wonder. So verse 2 and the chorus sound the same as verse 1 and the chorus, just with different lyrics. And we're going to move on to the bridge. Now the bridge is the same line repeated 4 times. When Emeli Sandé sings it, she does change the last repeat, and we will have a look at that on day 3 performance tips. But for now, we're going to learn the same thing and do it 4 times. One thing just before we look at it is, when you hear the original, Emeli Sandé does this. Reach out and pass it on. Now, that on that second note might be a bit low for some of you. So if it is too low, I suggest you stay on the same note. Reach out and pass it on. Okay? I'm going to sing on, but remember, you might choose to sing reach out and pass it on. Let's take a look.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah, this light is contagious. Go tell your neighbours, just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah, this light is contagious. Go verse to the chorus and the bridge, and then you can go ahead and look at the rest of it using our learning resources on the website.
One, two, three, four.
I can beat the night. I'm not afraid of thunder. I am full of light. I am full of wonder. Whoa, whoa, I ain't falling under. Whoa, whoa, I am full of wonder. Though our feet might ache, the world's upon our shoulders. No way we gon' break, 'cause we are full of wonder. Whoa, whoa, we ain't falling under. Whoa, whoa, we are full of wonder. This light is contagious. Go, go tell your neighbors. Just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah, this light is contagious. Go, go tell your neighbors. Just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah, this light is contagious. Go, go tell your neighbors. Just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah, this light is contagious. Go, go tell your neighbors. Just reach out and pass it on. Oh yeah. There we go. Have a lot of fun practicing.
And that's it for day one of week 13 of Sing for Hull. Coming up this week, Simon Higley is back tomorrow with Make and Create, using some of the percussion instruments he made in week 9, and he's going to teach you how you can write your own piece of percussion music. Wednesday, it's Stephanie with her performance tips, and the instrument of the week on Thursday this week is the cello with Catherine Morris and Chris Nolan, so you can look forward to that. That's it from me. I'll see you soon.